Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, we are going to be learning how to log into your existing Steam account using the Steam app on your PC. Whether you are new to Steam or just installed the Steam app on your PC and want to log in without any confusion, this video is for you. First of all, make sure that the Steam application is installed on your Windows or your PC and then launch it open. Once you're inside the sign-in screen, go ahead and enter your account name and password associated with your existing account. Make sure to type in your credentials correct. In the password field, type down your correct password just like I'm showing on the screen. And if you want the system to remember your credentials for you so that you don't need to enter your password or confirm your sign-in, make sure to check on this Remember Me box. But you can leave it unchecked if you're using a public or a shared device. Finally, after entering your credential, click on Sign In, and then you'll need to verify your email. Open up your email inbox and you'll receive a verification code from Steam. Enter the code that you received correctly in the text box. After waiting for a few minutes, you will then be logged into your Steam account. Just make sure that the credentials are correct. Steam has got new login rule as well. If you are signing in on a new device or location, you must verify your login using Steam Guard. This code will be sent to your registered email or mobile app, and then once you follow through the instructions, you will be able to log into your account. Congratulations! Now you have successfully logged into your Steam account. From here, you can access your library, store, friend list, etc. That's how easy it is to log into your Steam account on PC using the Steam app. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more easy tech tutorials. Happy gaming, and I'll see you in the next one.